Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to enable dark mode in the MLB app on your phone. Dark mode can make the app easier on your eyes, save battery life, and give a sleek appearance while browsing scores, highlights. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. Then, scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled Screen Appearance. Click on Screen Appearance to access the display settings. Finally, select Dark Mode from the available options. The app interface will immediately switch to dark mode. Enabling dark mode in the MLB app is simple and improves your overall experience while using the app. Just follow these steps, and you can enjoy a cleaner and more eye-friendly interface for all your baseball updates. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.